We all love to have that perfect photo face, right? But what if we need help achieving that? Well, Dr. Tracie Leonhardt and Jaime Applefield from Peaks of Health Metabolic Medical Center, they're back to tell us how they can help. And I'm so excited to talk about this because right now in the land of social networking, everybody seems to want to have like the perfect photo face.
You're not kidding.
It is such a trend right now. And this is still something relatively new. You've been doing these kind of procedures for about a year now. Why did you want to take your health center and also be able to incorporate stuff like this?
Well, I mean, originally I was kind of against doing anything aesthetic in my health center because it was all medical.
Right.
But, you know, as time evolves, my patients kind of take me where I go, and they kept on asking for this. And as they were feeling better and getting better, they all wanted to look better.
Of course.
So, you know, being able to add staff like Jaime, you know, that are really good at this and very knowledgeable about it, really helped a lot to bring that into the forefront.
And it's ironic that we're talking about the perfect photo face because we're actually talking about the photo facial. Tell us a little bit about this.
Yeah, so it is actually a laser. It's an IPL laser, which stands for intense pulse light. It's been around for a really, really, really long time, and you can use it on the face, but really anywhere on the body. And it really is indicated for, you know, wonderful photo face skin, but you can, you know, if you have sun damage, if you have dark spots, aging spots, any kind of vascular lesions, anything, you can really take this laser to that area of the body and it will just kind of target it, bring it to the skin, and then it clears.
So are we talking about just getting like that even complexion? Is that the goal?
Yeah, so I mean, the even complexion, people, you know, being here in Florida, you're at the beach or in the sun all the time.
A little bit of sun damage, right?
Right,
Yeah.
right. So, you know, you get freckles and you have all sorts of just, you know, pigmented lesions just from being in the sun. And so it really also doubles as an anti-aging procedure as well, and just can kind of clear the skin. It can make the skin an even color, take away some of those freckles, those sun freckles that you have, and just really improve that skin.
Yeah, hence why we decided to bring it out at the end of the summer.
I got it. That makes total sense when people are noticing it now, right?
Exactly. For those people who've already had their damage done during the summer, to help start some of the repair process for them.
That's where I love to be able to go without foundation, and I feel like so many women want that. This laser apparently helps get people to that point. Do you see that in some of the feedback that you hear from patients?
Absolutely. It works wonderfully. Yeah, people, especially after being in the sun all summer, you know, we take the laser to them and they just have wonderful results, depending on kind of what you're using the laser for. If it's actually for some kind of pigmented lesion that you've had for a long time, you may need multiple sessions. But if you're just kind of doing it for a facial rejuvenation, for that photo facial, one treatment and you could really see a big difference.
I feel like we do hear laser sometimes, and some of us get a little squirmish wondering, I mean, is it painful? Is it considered surgery?
So no, it's not surgical at all. And one of the best things about this laser and the specific IPL laser that we have here at Peaks of Health and that Dr. Leonhardt went with is it has this cooling system. It pre-cools the skin, it cools it while you're doing, I'm actually firing the laser, and then it post-cools it. So it makes it virtually painless. People tolerate it incredibly well.
And how long does the actual procedure take?
That's kind of variable on where we're doing the procedure. Right. So, I mean, you fire the laser and that's less than a second. So, you know, if you're doing the face, 20, 30 minutes it may take. If you're doing the chest, maybe a little bit longer. Just kind of depends on where we're treating. And,
you know, this is one of the topics actually you're going to be discussing, too, at this upcoming seminar, which I know you're so passionate about educating people, because people, I think, want this look, but they don't know how to achieve that.
Yeah, and I will say, as you were talking about going without foundation, it's nice because I get to do it now, short of television. But, you know, it makes the skin feel so much cleaner, so much nicer, you know, and to be able to bring that to the public and let them know what is available to them and how they can repair their skin.
It's a win-win. You know what? Well, I love taking to the public. I love talking about special offers. And I know you guys have one as well that we're going to share. As a matter of fact, there is a special offer for this photo facial. And get this, everybody, 10% off the service for the month of August. Now, if you attend the seminar that we were just touching on, you're going to save 20%. Can't beat that discount. There's the date. There's the website, too, so you can get more information for any of your health needs. Dr. Leonhardt would be happy to help you out.